Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today we're gonna be installing Elasticsearch. Here I have all the command that we wanna use to install it. Um, Let me start it. So first thing I'm gonna do is that one Elasticsearch. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. Press enter and password. So here we have to copy the password. This right here. Um, Copy. We open another terminal. So mouse bar. Paste the password there. So now our next step is we had to we figure out what is the IP address. The IP address is this one here. We're gonna go back to also path forwarding here. We're gonna type over here. Let's display that over here. Now we're gonna open this forwarding. We're gonna open the forwarding, so we had to make some changes here. Paste it. So when our IP address is the 168 12. Yeah, sorry, it's 2.12. And now space. We're gonna add Kelly. We're gonna add the name of the Kelly here. Let the name here Kelly. Uh, Slash minus purple. Uh, Point Kelly. The purple. So we are Control S and press Y and yes, enter. So, and then now we continue with another command. I'll try to do quickly. Paste there, enter. Another command, paste there, enter. Another command. So now, let's copy the next command. So a lot of command, guys. So like Elastic is one of the SIEM tool that as a SOC analyst we use to monitor the different traffic on the network. So you wanna see how cool it is to use the elastic. Um, so now we're gonna install that. So now so we install Kibana. We'll continue with the next. Then a simple password. Yeah, the host is good. So restart the Elasticsearch. So now we're gonna create token for Kibana. Paste there. So now we're gonna copy the token. So that's what we wanna use in the browser. Make sure that you copy everything. And here, I wanna open the browser. So um, now we're gonna say HTTP. We're gonna add the the IP address was 12, right? And press enter. Uh, so wait, it's charging. So now here's how we're talking. But paste it here. It's gonna configure. So now we're gonna play this command to uh, this command. We need it created to get the code. So we're gonna copy that code and we're gonna add it here. Verify. So now here we're gonna lastly was the user. The password we have it over here. The one we save it. Uh, that was the password. So we're gonna have to use another command for to get the password. So we're gonna again on the password because at this point we have that command to press enter password. Uh, Whatever password we got from here, this is gonna be the password. Uh, so here with UI, that's yes, and so we got a password here. So we come here, delete whatever it is right now. I don't know why it didn't work. Now it's working. Let's go to uh, here. That is the password, and let's just add that one. We're gonna save and save the as last things. So now we're gonna click on save desktop. So save. Okay, now we go back to here. Lastly, so we can just let's just leave it safe now. So that's the way we install Elastic. So before we continue, we're gonna create slash. I'm gonna go sorry here. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to create snapshot. Um, take a snapshot. So one and okay. If something go wrong, when we doing something in the PC, so just we have to go back to the snapshot and gonna be ready to go. So like that, we don't have to reinstall everything, So now here, I'm gonna try to uh, the be HTTPS, no HTTP, to be more secure. At that point, just we can close the browser, and we're gonna use this we're gonna take that over here. Let's see if it work. Uh, so we can copy our password, which is that one. I believe that's the password. The last two base. Uh, yes. So now, so I add a lot of command together here. So let's see if it work. Um, so what we're gonna do? Add a password. Uh, uh, okay, now yes, it didn't work, right? Oh, work. I don't know. Okay, now yes. So, so like I said, didn't work. So, the good thing I have a fire here. So we're gonna uh so say nano copy that set up. So I'm gonna have to paste it. So what I did, I just all the command that I have and I paste it and you can use ChatGPT that's gonna help you out to put it all together. If it was too a lot of command, it looked like uh I got some and now I figured out so and we can paste it there as well. And we run the one. It's gonna generate the thing. So now we need the password again. I feel he wasn't taking the password away. Let's see. It's not to generate key. It doesn't, man. I don't know why. It's not send. So like for some reason it's failing the command. So for at this point, just okay. We wanna use that in HTTP. Later on we can maybe use to secure uh using different, but right now we're gonna leave it there. Um, so we add integration. Man, that's Elasticsearch. So we're gonna share the password. Uh, Gym password. Okay. You're gonna add in password. Or they have to have say character. Should be they. So that's it for the video. This video will also how to install Elastic. The second part is gonna be how to configure. We're gonna do some changes for the next video, so stay tuned. Don't forget if you like the video, leave your comment, subscribe, and give it a like. So, bye.